So we're going to go here.
So
Here's
Paul, so this is now that you're sharing is to just to reset everyone, right? It's
Mhm.
we had PadSplit on a few months ago. We explained
Yep.
what the co-living model was, how they could manage it for you, etc. Paul
Yep.
learned a lot from them, has been working with them. And one of the properties that he bought in Florida, he decided not to flip, and he's now converting it to a co-living via the pad split model, essentially, that we talked about earlier. So, Paul, yeah, walk us
And
through the journey here.
you got it. You got it. So high level, it was a 4 bedroom, 3 bath, really a 2.5 bath. And it was around 1,866, called 1,900 square foot home. And basically it was a 2 car garage that was there, pretty good size garage. And I converted it in 2 smaller bedrooms. And also there's this laundry area. This is was within the garage area. You can see the electrical panel, and this is the HVAC unit right here. So common area obviously will be this laundry area here. The doors, you got to number them. And on these doors, these are fingerprint, but also number code doors that well, essentially what my property manager can do here is when somebody's moving in, he can give them a code. As soon as they move out, that code no longer works. He give it to the new person, new fingerprint comes in there, and they start that whole process over again. But each bedroom is a fan. The bathrooms were completely renovated. I had two that were old bathtubs. We kept those two, and the other two are shower stalls. So I'll go through some of the pictures here.
And Paul, the interior doors, I'm assuming they're solid core.
They're solid core doors. Yep, all solid core doors there. And what I did, every room is supposed to have a mirror. So instead of doing a mirror in each room, what I did was every room is a closet. So the closets are mirrored, which makes it
Yeah,
nice and simple.
yeah. And
Nice
they're
and
sliding closet doors that are just mirrored, right?
Yep,
Perfect.
sliding closet doors that are mirrored. This is a little nicer fan here, an LED fan. This is a Costco one. I spend a little more on these when they go on sale. They were like around $100 or so, but they're really nice looking, and they're a little smaller, but produce a ton of wind and also a light fixture at the same time. This
Nice.
house has a little bonus here. This is a lanai, decent sized lanai here too. We actually have another set of these table and chairs. I ordered these off Amazon. They were like $80 for 2 chairs and a table. How do you beat that, you know?
Paul, what made you not convert that to an extra bedroom?
I didn't want to convert this one to an. I wanted to have something like it. Lanais are big in Florida, so if you have them, it's nice bonus. This one also to convert would have been a bigger degree of difficulty because it's right out of a sliding glass door
Okay.
kitchen, and you would have lost a ton of natural light in there.
And just wouldn't have flowed right either, probably.
It wouldn't have flowed right. Yeah, so that was the big reason I did. If it would have made sense if it was in a shaded area, was off to the side or something, I would have done that.
Yeah, now you kind of have a common breakfast nook area, lunch nook, whatever you want to call it. Yeah.
Yep, people can go out here, and if there's any smokers, they can go out here and smoke, right? And not bother other people, or just go out here, read a book, and enjoy yourself. Or, want to congregate out there, a group of people, kind of if they want. Each room has a bedroom, a regular old bed, whether some of the smaller ones have twins. This one's a full bed, and they each have a little bedside table there and lamp. And the kitchen is actually humongous. So you'll see it from this. There's more pictures of the kitchen coming up here too. You got the fridge. I actually have a Keurig coffee maker for people too. More cabinet space that we need. Kitchen table in here. And some of the bigger bedrooms here. So this one's a full, and this is a nice size bedroom in here. So this one I rent for a little bit more. This is another bedroom, obviously with a full in here. Another view of the kitchen, which you can see going the opposite direction. There's the sliding glass door, which leads to the lanai there. A couple extra seats and a table for people for overflow. Again, all the doors are numbered here.
Nice. Paul,